Yamaha Motor India on Wednesday propelled the all-new 2018 model of its prevalent games bicycle in the Nation YZF R15 v3.0. Valued at Rs 1.25 lakh, ex-showroom, Delhi, the bicycle will be accessible in two shades, blue and dark. This is the third age model of the completely faired cruiser and it appears to be totally unique from the active variant. The new Yamaha R15 v3.0, in its most honed ever symbol, looks roused by the R25 Idea Show, which was divulged in 2013. The bicycle gets a more solid fuel tank, similar to a major hustling machine, and a more streamlined fairing with a focal air pipe configuration, similar to the most recent model of the YZF R1 Superbike. The tail area has turned out to be sleeker and more honed than previously, while the seats look significantly more agreeable when contrasted with that of the Adaptation 2.0. Fueling the 2018 Yamaha R15 is an all-new 155cc, single-chamber, fluid-cooled motor which is the most progressive one in its classification. The 4-valve engine gets a variable valve actuation (VVA) framework that guarantees an ideal execution over the rev-go. The fuel-infused motor comes mated to a 6-speed gearbox and produces 19.3 PS of energy, and a pinnacle to torque of 14.7 Nm. The new model likewise includes LED headlamps and an all-computerized instrument bunch. While the worldwide model additionally gets altered front forks, the Indian rendition proceeds with the regular adaptive suspension setup at the front. The front plate brake is marginally bigger than previously while the truly necessary anti-bolt braking system, ABS, is as yet missing from the choices list.